Hello, my name is Stuart Harper from Safe Software, and in this video I'm going to talk about the data distribution component of FME Server, also known as the data download service. The first thing I'd like to show you is what the data download service looks like out of the box with FME Server. So this is our public website. You can actually go to here. If you go to fmeserver.com/fmeserver, you can log in and you'll see this page. Then you can expand data download, samples, and you can see the workspaces here that have been registered with the data download service. So we're going to take a look at the Austin download workspace. Now what the data download service does is it allows you to take your spatial data. So if you've got your spatial data, maybe it's in your corporate database such as Oracle Spatial or SDE, you can take that data and essentially create a web service out of that data, which allows people to download the data and extract the data in the exact format and structure that they require. So in this example here, we have an SDF database, and we're letting people download the data in the format that they want, in the coordinate system that they want, and the exact layers that they want as well. So this is kind of what we recommend out of the box. You can do further configuration to make the data download service even more extensive. So let's choose a couple of layers we want to download here, and you'll notice we also have a search envelope here, so we can type in a bounding box if we want. I'll talk about this a little bit more in a minute. We can also enter an email address if we'd like to get the results emailed to ourselves, or we can, if we don't do that, we'll just get the data returned to the browser. So I'm going to click run here now, and my request is going to be sent from the web browser back to the FME server, and the FME server is going to process the request using these parameters. So there we go, instantly I've got back a link and I can download the data, and that data is now downloaded to my local machine. I can instantly start working with that data. It's been pulled out of the infrastructure in real time as well, so as an end user I know that data is completely up to date. Many people, this is kind of the out of the box implementation of the data download service. Many people, what they actually do is they take the codes. If you click on the show request button here, you can see the code, and they use this code to integrate this technology into their own web applications. So I've built a number of web applications that you guys can look at and interact with and see the code. So if you go to FMEpedia and you click on FME server, and then if you click on developer area here, in the developer area, there's data distribution REST examples. There's ArcGIS Server, Bing Maps, Google Maps, Open Layers. So I've created one for each. They're all quite similar. And this is what it looks like. So this is Bing Maps. This is ArcGIS Server and Open Layers and Google Maps. So let's take a look at Bing Maps. We can draw an area of interest. So you saw in the previous example the area of interest we could type parameters in. Well, in this one I'm letting people define the area of interest by drawing a polygon. Same sort of thing here. I've integrated. They can choose the format that they want, they can choose the coordinate system they want, and they can choose the layers that they want, and then I click request data. So these are functional demos, but you can see there's kind of a developer edge to them as well. You can look at the query that's been generated while you're changing things. So if you watch here at themes, if I start adding more layers in there, then that changes and we add more themes in. And also you can look at the code, and the code's all very well commented and documented, so you can use this straight away. So in this scenario again, I've returned the data directly to me, and I can just click download data here, and I can start working with the data in the exact format that I want, for the exact specific area that I want, and for the layers that I want as well. The next thing I wanted to show you is the REST playground. So again, this is accessed off our main developer area homepage. If you click on visit playground, you get to this web page here, and again there's a series of data download examples: ArcGIS Maps, Bing Maps, Google Maps. So here we can you can actually interact with the map, you can draw things. So here I'm drawing my area of interest, but you can also get code snippets. So you can copy and download the code snippets. So that's the data download service. That's the resources that we've got available. So check out FMEpedia and give it a go. Thanks.